welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a different kind of video. It's going to be more like a vlog type video. So today I am having Lvl Lash treatment, which is basically like a perm for your lashes. I personally don't like too much fake look, if that makes sense. I'm more of a natural look, so eyelash extensions, they look great literally the day after you get them, but as time goes on they just look awful. So I know eyelash extensions aren't for me. False eyelashes I would wear on a night out and doing YouTube here. We all know magnetic eyelashes don't work for me either, so I definitely just wanted to enhance my natural eyelash. I've done a little snippet of what my eyelashes look without any product on them. They are very strange. They go in all different types of ways. Some go straight, and I don't have that natural lash look that I really wanted, so this is definitely, fingers crossed, going to be an awesome, so fingers crossed this is going to work for me. I know it's about £30 to £40, but the lovely lady that's doing it is called Danielle Bradley, and she is training in it, so she's kindly reduced the price down for me. So yeah, I'm just going to put in some snippets of her doing it, and I will link all her details below, and then I will come back after it's done and show you straight after what they look like from the snippet. See what I mean? They literally, like, they don't stay up, and I know I could curl them every day, but I literally can't be asked, and those curler things really scare me. So I just want them to look long and luscious naturally. They're not bad natural eyelashes, but I think with a little enhancement and a bit of a perm, they are going to look awesome. So stay tuned if you like to see how Lvl Lashes treatment works. So I've just finished having my lashes done, and I absolutely love them. They look amazing, and I can't believe my lashes actually look like this without mascara or anything on them. They don't even look like this when I put mascara on them, so I am so happy. So thank you very much, Danielle. All her details will be linked below. So if you're local, please go check her out. She is amazing. She was super professional. She was on time. I can't rate her enough, honestly. She was amazing. You do need to make sure that you have a patch test before. I did my Wednesday with Danielle. It's literally just behind your ear, just so you're not allergic to anything. And then it's Friday today, so it's 24 hours prior to your treatment that you have a patch test. But I hope you've enjoyed this one and it's given you some more knowledge on Lvl lashes. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave. Don't forget to also go check Danielle's website and Facebook out, all linked below, and I will see you next time. Bye!